In this video, I will show how to create drop-down list in Google Docs. So very simple and easy way you can create drop-down list. Click on this Insert tab. Now select here drop-down. Then click on New drop-down. Give a name for this drop-down list. Here you will see options. You can add more options. You can set different color for different options. And save it. So once we will click here, so we will see this drop-down list. And edit it. Just click here, add or edit options. You can delete any entry or any option. You can change order, then save it. So thanks for watching. This is the way you can create drop-down list in Google Docs.